We're a big fan of 360 cameras here at the Innovation Lounge. There's the Rilo and then there's the GoPro Fusion 360. Now, early Christmas present, we have the Insta360 360. We're going to see how it compares with these other two that we've been very, very happy with.
It's larger than the Rilo but much slimmer and about half the size and half the weight of the Fusion. It really is very neat and would easily slip in your pocket. With its micro SD card it can record in 3, 4 or 5K and takes 18 megapixel still 360 shots as well. It also has this party trick known as bullet time. So this is the new bullet time selfie stick that comes with the Insta360 360 camera, and the idea is it gives you a slowed down version where the stick disappears completely and the camera is just circling you. We'll see what the effect's like now in a minute when we put it into our phone and edit it. But as with many 360 cameras, it's also very useful for what's known as overcapture, filming everything and then directing what you actually want the camera to look at in the edit afterwards. So I'm testing the new Insta360 360. It's just mounted on the sun visor with a big bulldog clip, and we'll see what the quality's like. Obviously we've done this very test with the Rilo and with the GoPro Fusion. So is this going to be any better? Let's see. It's 5.7K, so in theory the resolution is better. How will it cope with this strong sunlight though? All the edits are done in a dedicated phone app once you've finished filming. All very simple and user-friendly, just like the Rilo and Fusion. When it comes down to choosing the best, I'd say the Fusion is just ahead, but this is a very, very close second.